Have you ever dreamed of studying in Korea for free and getting monthly allowance of around $900? Sounds amazing, right? Imagine your tuition is fully covered. You exploring the Korea, experiencing the Korean culture, maybe even going to the K-pop concerts. Well, that's exactly what the Global Korea Scholarship offers. But before you get too excited, let's go over the basic requirements to see if you qualify for the scholarship. Hi, my name is Elgul, and I've been through the GKS application process myself, and I'm here to help you understand everything step by step so you can submit a strong application. GKS is a fully funded scholarship offered by a Korean government to international students who want to study in Korea for free. This means your full tuition is covered, you'll get a monthly allowance, round-trip airfare is free, there's a Korean language program included, plus you'll have medical insurance. There are two types of GKS scholarship. GKS-G is for those who are applying for a master's or PhD, and GKS-U for those who are applying for a bachelor's degree. Let's go over the minimum requirements for both GKS-G and GKS-U to see if you are eligible. Master's and PhD applicants must have a bachelor's degree. GPA at least 2.64 out of 4. They must be under 40 years old. Applicant and his parents must not have Korean nationality, and they have to be in good health. Undergraduate applicants must have completed high school. Their grade must be above 80%. They have to be under 25 years old. Applicant and his parents must not have Korean nationality, and they have to be in good health. If you meet all these requirements, congratulations, you're eligible to apply. Now, to get all the official information about the application process, follow the steps. Visit Study in Korea website, select the English language option, and click the GKS button to find the latest guidelines for either GKS-U or GKS-G. Download the guidelines, application forms, and other necessary documents. They include all the details you'll need about deadlines, required documents, and selection criteria. Now, it's time to choose your track and university. First, pick the university and major you want to apply to. You can find detailed information about universities and available majors in the university information file. Then you have to decide which track you want to apply through, embassy track or university track. The guidelines will show you which universities are available under each track and the number of slots for each country. Be sure to check the available universities under each track and choose the one that best aligns with your goals. Now it's time to prepare the required documents for your GKS application. Here is a list of the essential documents. First one is application form, then personal statement, study plan, GKS application agreement, personal medical assessment, one letter of recommendation, proof of citizenship, graduation certificate, and academic transcript. For the first 5 documents, you'll need to fill them out yourself, and 2 of them are especially important, your personal statement and study plan. These are like essays about yourself, your motivations, and how you plan to study in Korea. Make sure to make them strong. There are also optional documents you can submit. Korean or English proficiency certificates. If you have them, great. Also, copies of awards or volunteer certificates. These documents are not required, but adding them can make your application stand out and show your extra efforts. In my previous videos, I break down how to write a strong personal statement and study plan to boost your chances of winning the GKS, so be sure to check them out. Now it's time to start preparing. Begin writing your personal statement and study plan, and make sure to fill out and prepare all the documents in advance. It's also super important to start upgrading your background. Take language exams like IELTS or TOEIC, get involved in volunteer work and earn certificates, and take courses related to the field you're applying for. The earlier you start, the better your chances will be, and the results will be amazing. Make sure to download the official guideline and start preparing your documents now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more GKS tips and study in Korea content. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be happy to help you. Bye!